Opening Jiohotstar app in Android mobile. Experiencing internet connectivity issues. This might take longer. Experiencing internet connectivity issues. This might take longer. Error is showing. Solution 1. For mobile data connection, if you are out of data, then this error will happen. For such cases, recharge immediately. This will fix the error. Solution 2. If you are connected to the Wi-Fi but there is no internet, then the error will occur. For such cases, check the router or modem. Here LED light is blinking on yellow side, which indicate no internet and problem with ISP side. Red light blinking, which indicates no internet. So wait for some time until the problem gets fixed in server side or ISP side. Solution 3. Go to settings, apps, search for Jiohotstar app, go to storage and cache, clear cache. Solution 4. Update the app in Play Store. Subscribe for more.